This is Jeanette Keynes from Jewelry Arts Inc., also known as Dr. Goldsmith. I'm going to show you something today that is going to blow your mind. I'm going to show you an easy and inexpensive way to make your pearls look way more expensive. Luster is one of the most important factors in determining how expensive your pearls are. And this method is going to improve the luster and therefore make your pearls look way more expensive.
So, hey everybody, this is Jeanette Keynes from Jewelry Arts, aka Dr. Goldsmith. I'm about to tell you something that's going to blow your tiny mind. Because when I learned this, it blew my tiny mind. So, take a look at these lovely pearls that Vera brought in. Now, these are beautiful and baroque, and baroque basically is the lovely name for irregular, And the thing of it is with pearls like these, I mean, they're beautiful. They're one of a kind, but the luster is not super bright. The luster is not super even. And guess what? You get that in a lot of pearls. And pearls are known, they're relatively delicate. You want to take good care of them and all that kind of thing. Do you know what I'm going to do to these pearls to make them look beautiful? I'm going to put them in the fucking tumbler. Yes, you heard that right. And I know you're all going, what? That's insane. I'm going to put these in the tumbler. And believe it or not, the pearl people often take, especially I'm not trying to like insult these pearls, but the ones that are not super, super expensive. You know what I mean? They're improved, believe it or not, by tumbling. So we're going to put this in the tumbler for about an hour. We'll take it out and I'll show you how much more beautiful and shiny they look. And I'll let Amy do another close up just to see what they look like now, which again is not bad, but they can look better. The before and after. So you see what I mean, right? Like, I mean, I think they're lovely and you can use them just the way they are, but they can be improved. So, surprise, I decided to show you putting it in the little tumbler. And a tumbler basically, it's nothing but steel shot. And then you put a little surfactant in it, something with a little soap. So you can use a tiny little drop of Dawn, or we also use soda ash. You put a little pinch of that, a little powder in there. Like I said, it just helps everything to kind of slide around and stay nice. So I'm going to just take these and pop them right in here. Another thing I want to point out, if you're using one of these tumblers, you're supposed to just put enough water in to just cover the steel shot. You know what I mean? It's not like the kind of thing where you want a ton of extra water, because basically the extra water, that's more stuff to leak out. And it's also putting more stress on the motor for no reason. It's not doing anything for you. Okay. So like, as you see, there it is, just enough water to cover. I put the pearls in and my soda ash is here somewhere. And since I don't know where it is, I'm going to use a tiny bit of the Dawn. And I do mean like a half a drop. Because just so you know, that special like substance they sell you is like Dawn or soda ash. Like that's all, a little soapy something to help everything glide along. Okay. One little drop. I'm going to seal it up. And normally I put it in there for like an hour and then I rinse it off. But you'll really be amazed what this does to improve the luster of your pearls. And to be honest with you, this is not a technique that I'm doing if you have a really expensive pearl. Normally those are already, you know what I mean? But especially when you have strands of, and I don't mean, like I said, I'm not trying to be like, oh, the lower cost pearls. Like, cost is so subjective. You know what I mean? Beauty is what matters. You could find a rock on the street and it could be the most beautiful thing in the whole world. So don't let cost, make you think that only expensive things look good. And this is an amazing, easy way to improve the look of, fairly inexpensive pearls. So I'm going to put the lid on. I'm going to let it tumble and then we'll show you guys when we're done. So look at this. I just basically, we let them tumble for like an hour and then I like rinsed off the water and the soap. Look at the difference in these pearls. Look how much shinier and how more beautiful the nacre looks. And if you ask me, if I was buying a strand, I'd be willing to pay easily an extra $100 or two for this strand. You know what I'm saying? As opposed to the ones that went in the tumbler. This is, it just blows, it still blows my tiny little mind. So, believe it or not, you can tumble your strands of pearls that are a little less expensive, and they're going to come out looking way better than they went in. And also sometimes, like, the reason this came up in the studio actually a couple months ago, we were like, oh yeah, we got to do a video on this, is somebody did, what were they doing? They did a wrap necklace with some pearls. And like I said, the pearls were not the highest quality. They were lovely. And I said, oh, hey, you know what? Now that the wraps are all done and everything, why don't we just tumble the whole thing? It'll shine up the metal and the pearls will look better. And of course, everyone was like, what? So there it is. It makes an amazing difference. And I'm sure Vera is going to be really excited to use these pearls. So I hope the video is actually capturing this. But basically, these pearls look a lot better. Beautiful luster, much shinier. I mean, they really look fantastic. So, yay.